Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. So today I'm back again with another interesting video. So I hope you're going to like it. So today guys, we're going to prepare stir fry mixed vegetables. So this kind of vegetable you can accompany it with any dish. It is also a very good recipe for vegetarians. So I hope you're going to like this recipe. I hope you're going to watch this video to the very end. I also hope that you're going to subscribe to this amazing channel. And also guys, don't forget to press the notification bell so that you get alerted anytime I upload a new video. So guys, straight to our ingredients. So I'm going to use salt, then I'm going to use peas. This is green peas, right? Then I'm going to use red pepper, right? Then I'm going to use garlic. It's already crushed, right? Then I have my garam masala. Then I have my black pepper here. So guys, you can use any spices that is suitable with your taste buds. Then I have broccoli. This is broccoli. Then I have carrots. The carrots are already chopped, as you can see. Then I'm also going to use white onion. If you follow my recipes, you already know that I love using white onions as compared to the red onion. So this is white onions. So this is our cooking oil, and so we are ready to start our cooking. Please come along with me. I usually don't boil my green peas. This is because I would like to preserve the nutrients. So this is what I usually do. I usually wash, or I usually soak my green peas with warm water and salt. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to add some warm water to the green peas. Then I'm going to add salt. Right. Then I'm going to mix it nicely. Right. So after mixing, I'm going to leave it for some time for the salt to mix well with the green peas, or to get in sync with the green peas. So I will leave it for some time. By the time I'll be adding it to our vegetable, it will be very ready, right? So we are ready to start our cooking. So in a pan, I'm going to add some oil. Just a little oil. I will allow it to heat up a bit. So the oil is ready. I'm going to add the onion. So I will fry until it turns a little golden brown before I can add in the garlic. So next I'm going to add the garlic. And I'm going to allow it to cook together with the white onion. I usually put my garlic after the onions. This is because the garlic cooks faster than the onion. So we'll give it time for it to brown just a little bit before I can start adding in the vegetables. The onions are ready, as you can see. So at this point, I'm going to add the broccoli. And I'm going to cook under very low heat. So I'll keep on stirring nicely. So broccoli is a good source of fiber and protein and contains iron, potassium and calcium. So some of the health benefits of incorporating broccoli into your diet is that number one, it reduces inflammation. It also may protect you against cancer, and it also promotes healthy digestion and reduce constipation. So next I'm going to add the carrots. Right. Then I'm going to stir nicely. So carrots are loaded with vitamin A and beta carotene, which can lower the risk of diabetes. Carrots also have calcium and vitamin K, both of which are important for bone health. So I'll keep on stirring nicely until all the ingredients are in sync with each other. Right? So next I'm going to add the green peas. Right? Then I'm going to stir. So the green peas are a good source of vitamin C and E. It is good to incorporate green peas in your diet, especially for those people who are suffering from diabetes. Right? So I'll stir it nicely. Then I'm going to add the green pepper. Right? We're going to put our spices last. Wow, it's looking so amazing. So next I'm going to add our salt. Then I'm going to add the garam masala. And our black pepper. Then I'm going to stir it nicely. So if you have your stock, you can add at this point. But for me, I'm going to add just a little water. Then I'm going to cover it to allow it to simmer. It's a very, very simple recipe, as you can see. So I will add just a little water. This is just to allow the vegetables to cook nicely, as you can see. Guys, I don't like boiling my vegetables. This is because I want to preserve the nutrients, right? So if you want to have whole nutrients, please don't boil your vegetables. So at this point, I'm going to cover it. Then I'm going to allow it to simmer. So for this mixed vegetable recipe, remember we used broccoli, green peas, carrots, black pepper, garam masala, salt, garlic, and white onion. So the color is very, very amazing. All the nutrients are still very, very intact. So at this point, I'm going to serve it because it's very, very ready. So this is how our mixed vegetable looks like. This is how our stir-fry mixed vegetables looks like. So amazing and delicious. Even the color is very, very rich. So you can serve this dish with rice, chapati, mokimo, or even mashed potatoes, or even you can just decide to take it the way it is. Still very, very healthy. So guys, this is the end of this video. I hope you're going to try out this recipe, and you're also going to interact in the comment section. So until the next episode, please stay tuned for more recipes. Bye.